You may wish to experiment with Word, and you would like some text on which you can experiment. If you look at the document I have open, you can see here that I have the flashing cursor, and this means I wish text to be inserted from this point onwards. Now, to achieve that, you simply type in the following. It is equal rand and then an open and closing bracket. And this is an illustration of the random function that you can use within Word. And now it's just a case of pressing return on the keyboard and watch what happens. You can see that it has inserted appropriate text, a number of paragraphs and so many sentences per paragraph. So let's just count the paragraphs and we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs. And if you look closely at each paragraph, you can see that there is 3 sentences per paragraph. I've cleared the document and now you can see here that I've entered equal rand and in the brackets I've got 3,5. Now the 3 is going to specify the number of paragraphs of random text I require, and the 5 is telling me how many sentences per paragraph I need. I will now hit return on the keyboard and let's see what's produced. And straight away you can see we have some random text. How many paragraphs do we have? 1, 2, 3. And if you look closely at each paragraph, you will see that they all have 5 sentences. So you can now experiment with some features of Word using this sample text. So for example, I'm going to highlight this, click on to bold, come down here, highlight this, click on to italics, and so on. So I can muck around and have a look at things I can do within Word when I want to get used to new features. So rather than worrying about going somewhere, copying text and pasting it into Word, Word will automatically generate some sample text for me.